Looking for a highly equipped EV with all the right options and styling? We'll take a look at this 2018 Tesla Model X P100D with HID headlamps, premium fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, electronic stability control, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 16,000 miles on the odometer, 17-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, power lift rear doors, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 375 kilowatt motor, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 6535A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.